I hope I'm reading your intro, Angel.
Oh yeah, I'm playing with.
Is he even talking? I'm scared. His mic is muted.
So,
Why is he walking forward anyway? Oh.
Yeah, I got it. Like.
Why are you staying here? Why don't you go put on tapes and just let him die?
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Just push him into this tree. Where'd he go?
Let's go find him. Why are you all on top of me? That's copyrighted, dude.
Alright, hurry up.
Where are we going?
Oh, let's go this way.
Let's find a tape. Did it say Dora's house? Freaking retard.
No, it's 666 version of
Grandma's house. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I can't run anymore.
Wait. Thought I heard one.
Wait up for me, man. Jeez.
Oh yeah, this is on Nightmare. I forgot to tell you that.
Oh, you're.
Hold on, I have a message. Hold on.
Did you know me?
It's on Nightmare, and I don't have a freaking headset on, so I can't hear it. I'm gonna freak out when I see
Wait.
a monster.
I hear one. Oh no! Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Oh. I swear, if my parents come home right now,
It's still right there,
Oh, there's a tape. There's a tape.
It doesn't move.
Angel, that's not it. That's the thing. It's like the creature, but it
Look
can
at it.
Let's go, though, boy. Let's go back.
Alright, my parents are home.
Oh my God, that was not fun. That was not fun.
Oh,
Angel.
Lordy jeez.
It's right there. What if oh, Jacob's dead. Never mind. Let's get out of here.
Oh,
Go.
he's dead.
Run. Run. He's right there. Angel. Angel, don't leave me. Angel.
Oh my God, don't look behind. Holy shit, don't look behind you for a fool.
Oh, right. That's we're like the biggest babies ever.
No, I looked behind you the first time. There's nothing. I looked behind you the second time. He's in the corner of my screen. Then I turn around and boom, he's right there.
Angel, we're walking in circles. We're not gonna get another tape. We only have one.
Oh,
Where are you guys at? I need to find you.
You better run because he can get you.
Oh, shit!
Where are you guys at? You guys pass the heads coming out of the grass.
Oh, he's right behind you, Angel. Don't turn around.
Okay.
Still there?
I don't know.
Oh no, he's right there. Dude, that sound, like, it's like worse than Slenderman, I tell you. That sound.
I'm actually.
Are you man whore?
I can't see. I don't know where you guys are. So
I'm gonna turn off my light.
Oh, I see your guys' light.
You
Hold on.
can. Angel.
I was making sure everything.
You guys are going away from me.
I hear strange noises. Come on, Angel, let's go.
Whoever's running needs to stop. Oh, you're right there.
Oh,
Oh, he's right there, he's right there, he's right there. Oh, run.
the living Jesus out of me. I'm not even kidding.
I can't see him, so I can't help you. I can't help you.
Right here, come on, Angel. He's to your left, don't look to your left. Yeah, I told you not to look to your left, run. Angel, you wanna look behind us?
No.
Oh, no, 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 no. Dude, he is following us like crazy, I swear.
It's actually...
Hey, someone look behind them.
There
There you go.
He's not there. Oh, he's near us. He's on our right or in front. Which way?
To the right, to the right, to the right.
Oh, yeah, I see
This
him.
way, this way,
Angel, don't walk so fast. You can walk faster than me. Whatever, sprinting, okay? Oh, you to your left. Don't even go to your left. Come, let's go this way. Come on. Wait, he was right there. Okay, let's go back. Come on.
right.
Go, 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 go. Hurry up before he spawns. Oh, to your left, to your left. This way.
Can't wait to see this on Angel's point of view.
Oh, I know, right?
The first time when I...
Run, run. He's right there. He's literally right there.
You better upload this.
I hear tape. Run.
Oh, I hear
tape.
tape. I hear tape. Oh, I see it. It's on top of that gauntlet.
Grab it.
I can't grab
wait, you
them.
go.
Why is there a gauntlet?
Angel, we're gonna need... Oh, run. Okay, he's nearby.
Probably on your right.
He probably is. Let's go. Dude, he can come right... He can spawn behind you and take you instantly. That's a serious one. Oh, dude, that's not fun.
He spawns every time I look behind him.
That's the point of the game. Don't look behind you. I go get an apple. I'm hungry.
Yes.
How is that making me a fat ass? Angel, he's to your left. Oh my gosh.
No, he almost took me. Oh my god. Angel, help me, help me. He didn't take me. He's taking me. Help me, help me, help me. No, don't leave me.
Don't look behind you.
Angel, come back here. If you leave me, I'm gonna be...
You guys just stand like that so like you don't spawn unless you're in the
Oh no.
I want my refund.
I can't wait to see the map.
Ow! Okay, I'm gonna die any second now. Hey, don't leave me!
Oh wait, yeah, there's tape in here. There's tape in here.
Don't leave me! You don't
There's
stop
tape
me.
right here. Right here, right here, right here.
Your flashlight's out? Yeah, Angel, we're gonna die now. I'm sorry, but we're gonna die. We're going to die. This is on Nightmare.
5 more.
This is on Nightmare too.
I wonder what happens when you get all 8 tapes.
I've never seen it, so I'm not
We'll
sure.
go on YouTube.
Oh no!
Stop.
Oh, he's right there. What's that face called? I wanna find some batteries if you can now.
Oh, I should like Jacob be me because you have like freaking 3 more battery life.
Yeah, since the one who always dies.
Yeah, I always die on the first freaking tape.
I should probably...
Oh, your light just went out. Oh, never mind.
I was checking.
He's getting angry. angry, Angel. He's getting angrier. Oh, he got me. Oh no.
Oh, we're done. Oh,
you mean you're done?
Yeah, about that. He kind of instantly got me. How I told you earlier. I see you, Jacob.
Hi, where are you?
I'm so terrified right now.
Oh, hi.
I'm so terrified. I can't hear anything. So it's freaking me out. Like,
Angel, look behind you. Hi. Hey, look. The river.
Oh, you're dead.
my friend.
Yep, I knew it.
Take me, my friend.
See how fast I died.
So
9 minutes.
9 minutes and then I'm like 1750 bitches for like flashlights that were about
I found the way through recordings.
I found one, but how am I still get the most?
Well, you're still a ghost. Remember, you can still get distance.
How did it know I
Wow, it's your mic. Really?
I wasn't even talking in my mic, and instead I got screams. Yeah, we were just sitting there, you know, waiting for you.
Yeah. For like
Let's not watch that.
5 minutes.
No, I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna watch it.
I know. Well, you had to watch it.
What's a voice message? No.
Oh yeah, we got lost from Angel, and then Jacob had to go to do the groceries in a couple seconds. But then Jacob died. We were standing right next to you, and then you just died out of nowhere.
I think it's because I left my controller looking at the green thing.
Probably.
What the heck? Oh, I was looking like all around for you guys.
Oh yeah.
I need a person with a flashlight.
The amount of times he scared me was insane. Like, I have more red exclamation points than Angel.
Look at all the map we could have explored.
I know.
Start it, guys. Just like
We died.
change the thing, the map. So we're gonna play one more game, and then I'm gonna stop recording.
We're playing on Nightmare still.
Okay, go bunker. Yeah.
Yo, I swear to God, if my parents get here.
I lost someone new. You just have to progress in the game. I want to be him. Oh wait, Jacob has that guy.
Hey, yay.
If you could start it.
Angel, you should probably change your character.
I don't have anybody else.
Oh, I just random.
Oh, gosh.
Alright, can someone tell me who I am? Because I just did random.
I'm drinking an apple. Because I'm hungry.
So
Oh my, I hate this map.
Wow, I'm Velma. Would you look at that?
You're Velma?
Hi,
Yep.
Velma.
Hi,
But I have
Velma.
I have 2 more sandy than you guys. But my stamina is freaking.
Damn, you are.
Get the turtleneck and everything.
Exactly. But I get to live longer than you guys.
What happened?
Thank God. Oh, here, tape. What are these things?
Oh, come on! time. Why do they always have to come here when I'm in the middle of a game?
Angel, let's wait for him. Where is he? Where is he? This place you don't like not like I think it is.
Oh lordy Jesus!
I don't see him. Oh, he's behind there.
Oh my gosh!
He just spawned in front of me. Angel, can you do something about this? Yeah, Jacob's dead again. We should probably get going, Angel. Oh, okay, let's go. Oh no. Oh! You know, I was stupid enough to buy that solo campaign of this. You're high. It's worse than multiplayer.
I know, that's why I'm
Oh, here, tape! Oh no, that's the green thing, never mind. It's a green thing, I can tell. Behind this wall. Oh no, he's in that cell! Get out, he's in that cell. Angel? What are you doing? Oh, here, tape! Grab it. Press A. There you go. He was in the cell. Or shouldn't keep the aliens?
I kinda wanna look behind.
Oh no!
Okay.
Yeah, you keep dying all over the freaking place. We found 2 tapes already.
Where?
I hear whispering. Do you
room?
hear whispering? Oh, that's right.
I have no clue where you guys are, so... Wait, I hear the voice.
I hear voices, like... girl voices.
No,
Alright, you
shut
wanna
up.
keep going? You wanna go straight, or you wanna go left, Angel, or right, or what? Okay, we're going here. Wait, we've already been here. Get out of here. We've already been here. No, we have.
Wait, I see your flashlights.
Yeah, we have already been here.
There you are.
Oh yeah, he can see. It's like...
No, you guys left me.
Let's go left, Angel. Ooh. This might not be good.
Wait, guys, wait for me, wait for me.
Thing closed. What to say? I'm out of there.
Okay, do it to the left.
Yeah.
If he was like right there,
I would have threw my...
shit.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, there you guys are. Behind you, behind you, behind you. Hi.
Hi.
If I like...
Let's go in here.
Oh! I actually did.
Oh!
Is he in there?
Oh my god. Yeah, he's in there. Man, I don't care. Yeah, no.
Oh, here, tape.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Oh my gosh, that's so creepy.
What the heck? What alien is that? A Thundercat is what you just said?
He's flicking us off.
Angel, we have someone chasing after us. We don't have time to look at someone flicking stuff.
How come?
Angel, I hear. Okay, Angel, we gotta leave now.
All I hear right now is the freaking footsteps. High heels.
I know.
He doesn't get out of his room.
I know, he's gonna freaking trap us if we don't get out.
$10. $10, he's gonna be on the right.
I bet 100.
Wait, I know there's one in the submarine, I know that.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I think
Alright,
I
Angel,
tape.
we're gonna book it all the way to the other door. Angel, once... If you die next, I'm gonna kill myself. Hey, you need to quit dying when we play this game.
Not my fault, my parents come at the worst time. Oh, here, tape. Tape's over here, tape's over here. Technically, I found 2 tapes, but I can't collect them, so... Actually, I found 3 tapes, but I can't collect...
Angel, this is not good. The music's even getting worse.
Isn't the submarine near here? This is a freaking open room, you guys are screwed. Where? Oh, on the roof.
Not even
I haven't seen him for a while. He's gonna do a jump scare out of nowhere, I bet you. I can't believe we play this game. I swear I can't believe we play this game. We should update this game where you can actually find batteries.
Tape in here.
I don't doubt there isn't one.
Here with
Oh! Did you hear him? I hear whispering, what?
Hang on, Angel, be quiet.
Angel, what the heck are you?
Oh my...
Jesus.
Oh my gosh. Angel, where are you?
Angel, please don't tell me you're alone. That's not good.
Oh, he's right here, he's right here.
Oh, it's not you.
Thank God. Oh,
Finally, he did jump scare. About time.
I wish I could see where he's going so I can tell you.
Pretty perfect.
I think the ghost should be able to see where he's going.
That would. Oh no, he's coming,
I hear 2 girls' screams. Where's Angel at? Where you at? Still in the same room?
God, dude, he came out of nowhere. Oh, I hear him.
Oh, he's right here, he's right here.
Hi, Angel. I'll walk right through you.
Hi. Look, go this way.
What? Angel, it tingled the penis just a little bit.
Wait, hold on. There's some things over here. Rocket and train station.
This way.
Nice. Rocket and train station. That's what that is.
Oh, the rocket's this way. I think we've already been to the rocket, so we need to go to train station, so keep it right.
Oh!
Never mind.
Oh my god! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy oh my god!
Jacob, I like how all 3 tapes that you found, I found them, and I told them where you were.
Oh my god!
Yeah, no.
Oh my gosh! Holy shit!
How about I have more screw? Oh, we have the same.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I told Angel.
Oh my god! I almost had a heart attack! Oh. Oh
I want to see Angel point of view for that.
Oh my god!
Hey Angel, can you post this? I want to watch it.
Yeah,
Jacob dies.
alright guys, thanks for watching. That's scared the living crap out of me.
Hey, how
Oh
did
my
you guys
God.
feel?